which is a USB.
Don't you have USB cables? Or?
Yes, but I don't have a USB hard drive. I don't have
You
an
gotta
external hard
get a
drive.
big hard drive.
Uh-huh. How much do those cost?
Depends on the size that you purchase. They go mainly by size. You can get all the way up to a terabyte now. It probably costs you about 150,
Whoa,
200 bucks. But
that's a good deal.
But the ones that you want to get, probably for your system, you could probably get away with about 500 gig or 200 gig, somewhere along there. Okay.
And that would cost roughly?
Roughly, I would say about 40, 50 bucks. Yeah, depending on where you get it at. I buy most of my computer parts from a place called Tiger Direct, which is now going back to being Comp USA. Okay. So,
Oh, Comp USA's are.
they went out of business. What they did was they filed bankrupt a few years ago, and then they opened back up under Tiger Direct's umbrella. And Tiger Direct and
I'm not understanding the word you're saying.
Tiger Direct.
They had a
Tiger.
place at Northgate.
Yeah.
Oh.
It should be changed now to
I guess it's
Comp USA.
I haven't been over there in a long time.
Yeah, it's Comp USA now because what they did was after they got up with on that bankruptcy thing, they acquired their name back, Comp USA.
Oh.
So only person lost were their vendors because they couldn't get no money out of Comp USA because they filed bankruptcy. So only people lost money on that deal was the vendors. So now that they did the little 7 years that they had to do on the bankruptcy court, they acquired their name back and went back in business again.
Huh.
All right, well, I got to see you this afternoon.
See ya.
Okay, so tell me what size.
I would get about
I have to write these things down because I'm not a computer person.
probably about a 250 gigabyte hard drive would probably be large enough for you.
250
Uh-huh.
gigabyte
Mhm.
hard drive.
Yeah.
And you think it'll cost about $40 or $50?
Yeah, depending on where you get it at. Yeah.
Okay. And so. Okay,
Dynamic camera angles. Camera angles.
See you later.
Uh-huh. And so, since my husband said there was one over at Northgate, so I should go there to Comp USA.
Comp USA, that's where I get most of my stuff at because they're the most reasonable.
Okay.
As far as price wise, Best Buy to me is expensive. So,
Okay. All right.
That's where I got my That's where I got my Wi-Fi router.
Yeah, Best Buy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. To me, Best Buy is just a little bit too expensive.
A
Okay.
And I have a Best Buy not far from my house, but I would drive across town to Comp USA or Tiger Direct to get parts because I know they're not that expensive.
Uh-huh. Okay. All right.
and what's that you?
Thank you for your
And what's that
information.
sitting right by my computer over there by the power button, power switch? What's that sitting right by this power switch?
What this?
Mm-hmm.
That's your hard drive.
Oh, really?
Here, Trevor, if you want to take.
That is your hard drive where all your data is stored.
Huh. My hard drive.
Okay. Let's get rid of the old one. And
Old keyboard. New keyboard.
put the new one in.
Yay. So nearly they sent this one out of. Well, I don't know why they gave you another one. I really don't. It makes no sense.
Yeah, because it comes in a kit.
Oh,
When they pull the kit, they don't go in and separate parts that they don't need. They just send the whole kit. And what we do is use the parts that we're going to utilize, and we send the rest of them back unused.
for those wondering, this is the second part of my computer repair.
Yeah. That's your horse out there?
That's my horse.
Your horse. Oh, you do horseback riding, huh?
Well, I used to. I haven't been on him for about a year and a half.
Oh, okay.
But I did take. See, I'll try to shorten this story. Did you live here in 2002?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you remember the bad ice storm we had in December?
Uh-huh.
Well, we were living in another log home on this property, and it burned down.
Ooh.
And we lost everything except for our lives and 2 dogs and a cat.
Oh, okay.
And so it took forever and a day to. This was supposed to be a turnkey job.
Bull crap.
Yeah, exactly. It never happened.
My brother, my dad, and I built the cabinets for the kitchen, the island right there,
Okay.
and the master bath. And I helped my dad lay this flooring.
You help lay the flooring as well?
Yeah, I helped him lay the flooring, and I got a...
All right. Okay. And so
Yep.
anyway, while we were living elsewhere, and I had received inheritance from my mother, and we decided that it would be a good idea for me to take some horse riding lessons because it would be very therapeutic for me and my mind, help get my mind off of the fire and a lot of other things.
Right.
And so anyway, one day while I was sitting in the office with the instructor, she was on the phone talking with somebody. She says, "Sue, you need a horse."